In trading, the market can only do two things, go up or go down. If it's going up, it means that the buyers are in control. And if it's going down, it means that the sellers are in control. Your job is to align with the people that are in control. So the study of knowing who is in control is called market structure analysis. Okay, so for a market dominated by buyers, what you're going to find is the market make series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Now for this higher high to be made, it has to break through this old higher high, and that is called a break of structure, BOS. And for this higher high to be made, it also has to break through this old high, forming also a break of structure. But when you open up your charts, you're not going to see something like this. You're going to see something we call candlestick. It looks like a candle in real life, having two parts, the body and the wicks. Okay, we have the upper wick and the lower wick, representing the highest the market got to and the lowest the market got to within that time frame. So when you open up your charts, you're going to be seeing the candlesticks run like this: higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Now for you to say that a break of structure have occurred using these candlesticks, the body of the candle that made this higher high has to close or be above the upper wick of the candle that made the initial higher high. So let's take a look at it if it fits the criteria. Okay, so look at the body of the candle that made this higher high, and let's take a look at the upper wick of this candle that made the initial higher high to see if it fits the criteria. Let's take a look at it. Of course it worked. Look at it, it closed above. Now let's take a look at this. This is the second candle that made the higher high. Let's take a look at it. If the body of this candle closed above the upper wick of this candle, and of course is a confirmed break of structure, so it means that the buyers are really in control and you should be buying. So let's take a look at another example: market making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher lows. Okay, so let's take a look at it. Now let's confirm this. This is the body of the candle that made the new higher high, and this is the body of the candle that made the old one. Let's watch this. Of course the break of structure is confirmed. Now let's take a look at this again. This is the body of the candle that made the new higher high, and this is the upper wick of the candle that made the old higher high. Let's take a look at it if there is a confirmed break of structure. Boom, there is no break of structure yet. So for now, you can't say that this market can continue going up. It means that sellers are probably going to take over. If, however, another candle printed and it forms something like this, now is a confirmed break of structure. I hope you find this insightful. I'm going to do this market structure analysis for market dominated by sellers next time. All right, so take care and God bless. All right, I hope you found that insightful. Now, trading is not as difficult as people make it to be. It could be as simple as navigating through your cell phone, for somebody that have never used an Android phone for the very first time. It could be that simple. So I'm opening up my mentorship this month for people that would like to learn how to trade for just a token. Just slide into my DM and type trading class. Okay, speaking of mentorship, this is from one of the people that have learned from me already. Says her name is Cynthia. Said, "Good morning, Mr. Isdor. Trust you're good. Sir Simio, Shebi his real account now for Don Hammer this morning." And she shared a screenshot of $550 that she made. Of course, she was demo trading, not real money. Now, but the point I'm making is that this person had no prior knowledge before now, okay? No prior knowledge at all. And that is $550. And in Naira, that is over 750,000 Naira. Imagine. So learn a new skill that can help put more money in your pocket. Slide into my DM and type trading class, and I'll get back to you just for a token. All right? Okay, bye.